1, 2, 3. Can you hear me? Please let me know, and we will start. Now I will change my screen. Let me change to the live. Okay. Hello everyone, and welcome back. We are still waiting you. I'm here. I said 5 minutes. Sorry, because if you are starting just right in the time, the most people late. So that's why I'm giving like 5 minutes to get the cup of the tea or something like that to come back, and the stream will start. Okay, thank you guys to come to my stream. Today we will continue. Can you hear me the first? Please, can you tell me? I know you are so shy to text in my chat, but anyway, thank you. Today we will continue create the Cyberpunk apartments. Nothing special, as I said, because now I'm doing really a lot of the thing, guys, for you, like the Dynamo tutorials. So what do you think about the Dynamo tutorials? Can you please let me know in the comments? I'm doing the Dynamo tutorials, I'm doing some just like average tutorials, and that's why it's taking really a lot of the time. And I cannot make some special stream. Maybe later on I will do some special stream about Dynamo and Rhino, but I mean the Grasshopper Dynamo. I know you wanna some action, you wanna like renders, something like incredible Zaha Hadid buildings, but anyway, first I will start to teach you how it's working. But before Dynamo, I said I wanna teach you, and after that we will make the tutorial. Like, no, not tutorial, I mean stream. Okay, today I will continue my Cyberpunk room. Did you watch my previous video about Dynamo? So what do you think? Because now you can straight away asking me about maybe something not so good, maybe something you not understand. So this is video, it's more like speaking, and you can contact straight away with me and we can talking about that. But anyway, first I wanna create my Cyberpunk room 2. Okay, let's we'll start. The last time I finished my my window, actually not finished, we should finish it today, and I will do it, no worries. Boom. So I still waiting what you think about the Dynamo. Don't be shy, guys, please, because I'm sitting now alone in this big huge room, and no one speaking with me. I'm thinking like I'm I'm sick. When someone speaking with himself, this is I think this is something terrible. Okay, I'm going inside now to my family of my window. Actually, I didn't finish the frames, as you can see here. Later, let me show you. Here we have the frames. I have two ways. I can make it parametrical or I can make it instance. Actually, I will choose the second way. I will do it instance because if be honest, this is so unique object, and this shouldn't be parametrical. So if you have some really unique objects, like for example like this window, you have only one this window, you can make it instance. I mean, you can make it like model in place, or you can make without some parameters. But if you know like you will multiply this window somewhere else, so better to make it, of course, parametrical. Anyway, I will make instance. I'm lazy today. Anyway, this part, right? Let's use the extrusion. Now I need to pick the line, and as you can see, I can pick this line. Let's pick it this line, and I get the problem because my line actually flat, as you can see. So let's say I'll use the Ctrl Z, and I'll change my working plane. Let's change my working plane. Reference plane. No, I don't want to use it, and I will use the back side. Okay, and I will choose now the reference plane. Actually, my reference plane should be flat. So flat and looking for to the exterior, for example, view. I will go to the exterior view. This is much better for us now, and we will create it here. Okay, so let's go back again to create extrusion, and let's see. Now you can see my working plane on the right position. This is what I want, and we will draw it here. I will use the big lines, and let's draw the big lines, so no one will say about my video. Oh my god. And you can see I cannot select this line, so we should use the offset. Anyway, this is not so big problem. I will use the offset. I know here it's around 25 millimeters, so let's say this is 25 millimeters. We will check. No, it's 50 millimeters. And let's make it 50 millimeters here. Here I will delete these lines. I don't need it anymore. And we get these lines. Okay. What we're gonna do now? Now actually I need to create this intersection, as you can see on this picture. We need to create this intersection, and here the cycle, small cycle. Pretty easy actually. What I'm gonna do? First I need to create the one more line. Let's create here one line. We need on the middle side one line. Okay, Revit already helped us. It's here. Okay. Now we need to use offset with like 25 millimeters. Yeah guys, don't forget about the likes. Don't be lazy, please. If you're not watching my video, please don't forget about the likes. I should every time asking something. Okay, let's do offset 25 millimeter. 25 millimeters. Okay, and let's make like 1, 2, 3, 4. We will do it like this. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do, I need 50 millimeters here. Let's use the offset, 50 millimeters. Don't forget about the copy. Sometimes the people forget about the copy, because if you not will use the copy, you will move your original object. We don't need that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now I just copy that one, I mean the mirror. I will just select all these lines, and I will mirror it to that side. After that I will select this line and this line, both of them, and I will mirror to the other part, to the other side, like this. Done. Actually we are already just a few seconds and we will finish this object. Anyway, if you in one day want to parameterize it, you can do it. It's not a big problem. So what I'm gonna do now? Now I need these lines, these supporting lines on the middle side. I will delete these lines, and now I need to use the slice. So I need to get slice here, 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 and here. Why I need that? Because when I will use the trim and extend, I will make here the corners. So like X-Men, right? Maybe I should create like, I don't know, Professor Xavier room, I don't know, maybe something like that. What do you think, guys? Oh, I forgot about that one. As you can see, this is union line. I need to use the slice here also. One here and one here. And let's use TR again. TR, TR. And let's do the same thing here. Everything should be closed. Okay, and what I'm gonna do here? Pretty simple. Just slice here is here, again TR, let's connect it, and just connect everything with each other. Okay, this one with that one with that one, and that one with that one. Okay, we did it, but I forgot one thing. As you can see here, we have that cycle inside, right? And we don't have inside here nothing, right? So what we're gonna do? We need to create the cycle. Let's find the center of our main cycle, and let's create it. Maybe like 200 millimeters, who knows, because I don't have any dimensions, as you know. Now I need offset. Let's do like this, and we get the situation like that. So what we're gonna do, I will use actually trim and extend multiply. Pam, pam. Here it's sometimes problem. I saw it. You need to again choose the trim and extend, and after that select everything. So it's not so big problem, but it's annoying really, because it's Revit. Okay. Oh well, I forgot one more thing. do this one. Oh, not I mean save me only this part. Again, slice again. Don't forget about slice again. We need slice everything here, because we cannot have like two different shapes. And again, TR, I mean the trim. Let's use the trim here, 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 here. So this is looks like AutoCAD, you know, when you wanna use the hatching. Did you use the AutoCAD before? I don't know, maybe you used. Oh, I forgot one thing here. So we did it our frame. As I said, I not will do any parametrical thing here, but we can do that. But I don't think so. This is neat only for the one piece of this window. We have only one window. This, as I said, this is a unique one. Okay, so this 250 millimeter to 3D view. I will see on the 3D view. 150 even more so big. Let's make the 100. So yeah, 100 what I want. And now I will go to the reference level. I will see now my frame is here. As I said, 100 millimeter again. Oh, it's constrained now, so it's not a problem. Can you please let me know? Ah, no one is here. I'm sorry, I think you cannot watch it properly. But who knows, maybe you can watch it. Just let me know, can you hear me or no? And can you see anything on your screen? Oh, thank you, only one watching me. Okay, oh, it's already 6. We are back, guys. Sorry, it was the problem with internet, and now I changed my internet. Now it's much better, I think. If will be some problem, please can you please text, don't be shy, because I not sometimes understand it's working or no. Let me check everything working. Yeah, you can hear me, you can. Now I will continue to create my window. Now I can actually, now I need to create the glasses because I don't have any glass. Okay, so again I'm going to the create extrusion, and let's use the pick the lines. Let's use the pick the lines like this, like this, like this, like this. So we will make the separate extrusion, not with, it's not will be intersect to the geometry. So this is will be better way for us. Actually, you don't need to create part by part. You can make it like a union, you know. Just don't forget one thing. It should be close the line. So you cannot create lines like this. It's not able for Revit, okay? You should it always close. I will delete this dimension, I don't need it anymore. I don't know, actually I don't know. This I don't know this problem with my internet provider. Maybe they working, you know, the how they I mean the internet providers really like work, really like change. They really want changing something only in weekends, you know. They not working in when everyone on the not at home. I don't know, so stupid people. Now it's I think now everything okay. I changed now to my mobile internet, and I think everything okay now. Sorry guys for this not nice situation. I'm trying my best. Actually I cannot make the streams only on weekends. Okay, so and let's make it window here. Let's make it window here, and done. Don't forget your glass should be like 20 or 10 millimeters to the 20, maybe between these numbers. I will do 10 millimeters only. Let's say okay. So we did it. As you can see, this is my glass, but we didn't apply any material. Let's apply the material because I want to see through this window. I will create the new material. So let's create the new material. First I will change the name of that. Let's change it to the glass. Okay, And after that I will okay, we already have the glass. Let's say glass frost. Let's do frosted glass. Okay, and after that I will just go to the Autodesk library, and I will choose the glass here. Glass here. Let's find some interesting glass, category glass, and let's find some glass here. Clear reflective. Okay, I will use that one. Double click, and we will apply all the settings to our glass frosted. Let's say okay. Okay, awesome. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. I'm checking. I'm checking. Is it is it YouTube working or no? Okay, everything alright. So let's continue. We did it. One thing, we need to go to the reference level. I mean to the plan, and we need move it to the middle of our frame. Let's move it. We cannot move. Oh yeah, I know why we cannot move. This is my mistake. Okay, actually it's not mistake. We can make the cheat. We will cheat it. We will do like this. So here it will be 185. Here will be 175. So 10 millimeters between two of them. Let's go now to the. Let's load now inside of the project. Overwrite. Boom, and we get here is our window. But as you can see, this is working only on realistic. Because I didn't apply for my material transparency. Let's say I'll apply for my material transparency. We need it. We will go to the frosted glass material, and I will apply transparency here like 91%. I will load it inside to the project again, and now if I will change my graphic style to the hidden line, now I can see through this window. No, I didn't. I will change to the 1%. Okay, to the 1%. It's not a problem. Let's change to the 1%. Maybe 10. Maybe. No need much. Okay. Anyway, I cannot change it. Oh yeah, because we can change it here. Why I'm so lazy? Frosted glass, yeah, transparency here I will change to the 91%. Okay, so now it's working. This is my mistake. Yes. Okay, we finished with this glass, I mean with this window. Actually, when we will apply some materials, we will do it later on. Now we will create this couch. This couch I wanna create, not couch, I mean the bed with this kind of thing, as you can see above. Oh, I have the dislike. Thank you guys who did dislike. Thank you, you're so kind people. I will close this family, and I will create the new family. I don't need to save it actually, this family, because when you will load family inside your project, you already have like a new you already have new family inside your project, so you don't need to save it. I not will save it, because for example, if I will edit now, I will go inside now to the new, as you can see. So that's why I say it, you don't need to save it, because it's only up to you. Let's create the new family. I need the family furniture actually. Let's create the we need the bedroom metric, generic metric furniture. Where is my generic model? Furniture, where is this? It's here. Let's open up. Okay, don't forget, we are now on the plan view. Okay, so and let's create our bedroom. I don't know the size of this bed, so that's why I will do it fully parametric, and it's called fully parametric. Actually we will have only like few parameters, that's it. It's not so hard to us. So this will be W, and let's make it it's not will be instance, it will be type 1, and this will be type 1 too. So will be type 1, like this. And one more parameter, don't forget about one more parameter, we need extrusion. Extrusion will be here like H, so height. Also this will be type 1, H, and say OK. We finish with that, finish. Let's go to 3D view, and as you can see, here is our coach. We finish. No, I'm kidding. Actually, we need some extra detail. Don't forget, guys, this is not 3ds Max, this is not Blender, Cinema 4D or something like that. This is Revit. You need only the mass form. You don't need making so much detail, because Revit, it's not about the renders. Revit, it's only about BIM model, okay? So we did it, but anyway, we will apply some details, like, let's say, we need here something like a fillet on the all the size. So let's say I'll check it. Yeah, like a fillet, we will do that. So how we can do that? Just by using create, and here you will find sweep. Let's use the sweep, and let's depict the path. We can pick this path, okay? Just pick this one, and that one. Done. Let's say OK, go to the edit profile and change to the front view. And now we will create from this line to this line the curve. So we will extrude it like this. Like that, like that, like that, and like that. Don't forget, this one should be also be parametrical radius. Anyway, let me think. If I will change the side of this one, it should be work. We will leave like that. For now we will leave like that. If it's not will be work, we will change some parameters. Okay, so after that just saying OK, and again OK, and we get the shape like this. This is not right, because this shape it's solid. We should change this solid to the void. Let's change it to the void. And now this is void. I will change the graphic style to the consistent colors. Now you can see where is the void, where is my geometry. And now we should cut. We should cut this one from this one. Done. We get this shape. Now if you will even change the coach size, let's say 350 millimeters, right? Apply. It will apply. Let's say this will be 2100 millimeter. Apply. It will apply. And here I will make like 900 millimeter only. So as you can see, this is working. So this is parametrical. I don't like the word parametrical, because this one actually is so simple. I don't think so. This is so parametrical. I will call it like flexible. This is much better word. Okay, and I will apply here some small additional things. Okay. Because I saw here we have like a gap, right? Here like a line. Let's make this gap too. Maybe we will go more. We will do here not gap, we will do here some containers, as you can see here, to put it inside. Let's do this. So what I need, I will go to the right view, sorry. I will go to the create, and I need the void forms. I will use the void forms, and I will set my working plane. Let's say I'll set my working plane. Okay, and let's make it like this. For now, just for now. Okay, now I need only one dimension. Actually, this is bad idea to get dimension from the geometry, but for now I don't have any choice. I will use from geometry, it's okay. So it's not big problem, but actually this is not so good. Don't forget about that. And let's make it equal. Here I will do like 150 millimeters, right? And here I will do the same thing, 150 millimeters too. Okay, so we did it, and I will apply it, to align it to this one, so like this. Okay, we did it. Now we need extrusion. Now we need no extrusion. Our extrusion will be equal to the W. Let's try it. Yeah, this is what I want. Okay, and now we will create the containers. So this actually it's working the same. I mean we will do the same thing, but not with the void, with the solid. Okay, sometimes it's hard to understand where is that. Let's go to the right view and let's create some few extrusions. Extrusion I will create like this. Actually, this is bad thing when I creating like that, because I really prefer align everything. So I will align it, like align this one to this, align this one to that, and align that one to that. Well, let me think. As I said, I'm doing this project without any reference, so I mean I'm doing it right now, guys, front of you. So that's why I'm thinking, when I'm doing something, I'm also thinking. So I have no idea. I not will do like this. I have better idea. I will go to the plan view. So now I need the only reference plane. So let's find the reference plane here. So it's here, reference line I mean. Let's create it here, and I will use dimension from no, I will align it. No, I cannot align actually this line. I will use the plane I can align. No, I cannot align, only to here. Let me think. I wanna create something interesting, you know, not just something average. Okay, let me think. If I will create it like this, I wanna create this line. It's going extrusion. I wanna make it's movable. Oh, I know. I have idea. I will go inside to this coach. Let's go inside to this coach. Where's my 3D? To additional. Not this one. I said coach. Okay. Now I need reference plane, and I will create reference plane here. Okay. And I will align it to this line. Yeah, I will align it to this line. Deal. Nice. Let's say okay. Let's everything working. And now I should have here the line. Let's check it. Yeah, I have here the line. Dimension. Yes, it's working. So let's create the new family. I will create it here like this. Again, I need the dimension between these lines. I need this dimension only between these lines. I don't need dimension. Let's use dimension. And dimension here. Okay, dimension this one, it will be again W. And here will be L. Not L. L minus 150 and minus 150, so minus 300. So we should create the one more L parameter. Let's create the one more L parameter. It will be called L1, and this parameter actually will be like L minus 300 millimeters, and we will apply it here. Done. Okay, and extrusion will be equal to, I don't know, we will check it right now. So let's say I'll change it. Do I have some dimension here? Yes, I have here dimension. Let's use dimension line from this one to that one, and it will be H1. Create new H1, and it will be equal to H1. Okay, awesome. Let's say okay, and this one will be equal to H1. Done. Okay, so and we will make some few changes here. What I'm gonna do actually, I wanna create a void inside of this project. So I will use the pick line and offset like 50 millimeters only. 50 millimeters, like this, like this, and I will use the TR to trim it. As you can see, everything working. Let's say I will do here something like that, and I will, because we need some support, you know, we need 50 millimeters. No, here we need 25 millimeters because this is middle line. And again, we will use the slice. Where is my slice? So here is my slice, and let's slice it. Trim, connect this one to this one, and that one to that one. And same story here. We did it. Let's say okay. Actually, it's not finished. We get something like that, but actually we no need to get a result, as you can see here. First I will connect it to the end like this. Okay, and the second thing, I'm using now tab key to find my extrusion actually, because it's sometimes really hard to find it. Oh, it's here. Give me a second. Here. And let's make it a bit outside. Not much, like this. It will be enough. Oh no, it's not my extrusion. This is my extrusion. Just a bit much, like this. So we get I talking about that one. So we get this thing, and now we will apply it inside to our bed. So let's do that. Actually, I wanna connect. I will go inside to this one. I need to use dimension actually, because I wanna fix it. Here to here, here to here, that one between that one, that two I wanna fix it, that one too, and that one too. Here it's 50 should be 0. Oh no, let's align it. Okay. Let's say I'll fix it. Now I no need any dimensions. I know it's everything 50 millimeters because I did the mistakes. I'm sorry. And let's move it inside to our couch. Not to the all. I mean, we will do like this a bit. So we're making some entourage. Okay. It's only up to you. Do you want to create some pillows or something like that? So it's only up to you. If you want, of course you can create it, but I will leave like that. I wanna create this thing above of this bedroom, so it's here. Actually, this is a cube, but we will make some additional things, like you can see here. We will create this kind of the shape profiles. So you have choice. You can create it right here, right inside your project again, or you can create the new project and apply it somewhere. So I will create it right here, because I don't need some special things. I will, oh sorry, reference plane. Let's choose the reference plane like reference line. Oh, I mean plane, sorry, reference line, reference plane, everything reference. Okay, and I need again dimensions here. So here is will be like L1, here is will be W. And let's align it. Just move it and move it on the same position. Okay, and again move it. I don't need constraint, and let's move it on the same position. Okay, we did it. Extrusion, we will actually extrusion will be various, because I don't know where will be my ceiling. So I'll say okay. Let's go to 3D, and as you can see now it's intersect our couch. Let's say I'll do like this, and now I need some back view dimension, and let's make dimension from this side. This will be a parameter also, like h extrusion. Let's make it type 1. So how we can follow our h extrusion? Our extrusion will be like 2100 millimeters minus h1 and minus h1. So, and we will get 1500 millimeter. So this is what I want. Actually, it should be looks like on the 3D. Yeah, it should be like this. Maybe here, not here. It's no, here it's twice lower. So let's do the same thing. So if it's twice lower, we will make 1900 millimeter only. Let's apply it. No, even this not enough. 1550. Yeah, this is what we want. Okay, and that one will be various. As you can see, we can apply it anywhere where we want, for example to the ceiling even. Okay, we will leave like that, and now we need some create the profile. It's again, this is various, it's only up to you. You can create the profile, you can forget about the profile, it's up to you. I will create some the profile, and if you are so silent today, I don't know why. Sorry, it's my Google phone speaking with me. And I will finish this tutorial today. Maybe next time I will talk about Dynamo, but I don't think so, because not so much people. Okay, so let's create here. No, here I not will use the extrusion like this. I will use the extrusion by void. Let's sketch the path. I'll sketch path here. It doesn't matter where you will sketch your path, because we can apply your profile a bit above from your sketch path, so it's only up to you again. So, and I will start from here. I need to create now profile. Let's edit profile, and I'll create the profile here. Let's make some small profile like this one. It will be okay. Say okay, and say again okay. So we get profile, as you can see. This is our first profile, and now I wanna create some new profiles. So how we can do that? Let me think. I will try to make it by same, but by sketch path. So let's set our working plane. It will be here. Let's draw the line like this and like this. Now I will set again my working plane. No, it's not will be work like this. It's want to work like this. Anyway, I can make some geometry. So let's make it with the reference plane line. I will create it here. No, it's not will be work with that. I will just use the some lines. So I don't want to create the sweep. Let's use the reference line. Let's use this line. No, just line. Where's my model line? Model line is here, and where's my working plane? Working plane. Set working plane. Pick the plane. This one. And let's draw here the line. From that side, like this, and like this. Oh no, I want a straight. Okay. And now do the same thing. I will do same thing here. Let's draw here the line. And let's try now the void. Void form, void, and pick the path. Yeah, it's working. Nice, right? It's working. We can make a path like this one, so this is cool. So I will unswitch off my these things, and I will use the one more line here. So first I need choose my working plane. I will choose this working plane. Okay, and after that model line to that side, and that side. Perfect. So let's create our void. I will use 3D path like this, as you can see, and as you can see, it can go to the any direction. Let's say okay. Now I go to the sweep, edit profile, back view, and let's create here the profile. I'll create big profile like this. Let's say okay. So let's check what we will get. I'll say okay, and we get extrusion like this. So you don't need any special things to create some extrusion like different direction, like you can see right now. Okay, so and anyway, as you can see, everything working, and even it's changing, I mean the direction changing to this really cool thing. So let's leave it like that, and let's load it inside of the project. Oh, we should name it. So to name it, let's save it. Just give me a second. I need to save it to my folder. Where's my folder? Tutorials to the stream. Just give me a second. I wanna save everything. So this is will be like coach or bed. Okay, so done, and let's load it inside to the project. Load inside to the project. I don't wanna save it right now, and let's place it. As you can see, we get the coach. Actually, it's not finished because I wanna create this thing also, but I will do it later on. Maybe I will do it offline. Okay, and let's rotate it to the 90 degree. And I'll place it somewhere here. Okay, as you can see, we close enough to get it. Next time we will, maybe next time we will do this staircase, I mean the stair, as you can see here, and these things inside on this model. So I think I will finish. I not will say anything because not so much people, not so much likes, no one likes everything. Anyway, this is just my opinion. Who's still here with me, thank you guys, I really appreciate you. And I finished today. I will save this project, I will save this video, and you will see this project below this video later on, and you can download it, of course. I mean this project on this stage. So when I will finish all this project, you will download it. It's still for free, of course. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time, as always.